An image lightbox effect is an effect where when you click on the image, it will pop up showing you a larger option of that image, a larger view of that image. Now, not all page builder can do it. System.io can't do it, but there is a trick around it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can play around with it and how you can create this lightbox effect inside your System.io website or funnel. Now, before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so they can get more digital marketing tips that can help your business. Without further ado, let me jump straight into my computer and let me show you how you can create the lightbox image effect inside your System.io account. Let's go. Alright, so what is this lightbox effect? Lightbox effect is when you click on an image, then it will pop up. So currently, I click on this, nothing happened, right? This feature actually is not in System.io, but there is a workaround for it. I actually emailed it to support and support give me this suggestion and I'm going to try it out. So for example, you have lots of images, right? For example, image gallery, you want every time they click, you appear your image. It can't be done here in Lightbox using System.io. There's a manual way to do it and I'm going to show you how. So all I have to do is just go to sales funnel, or if you're using website, you go to your blog. Let me just click on edit page. Okay. Now I want to click this image. So what you do, there's no option here for lightbox, right? But there is one option you can do, which is the pop-up. So pop-up, you can create a lot of pop-up. I'm just going to show you one first. Let's have a pop-up, click on view. So this is for you to edit accordingly. Now, how do you change this? You just remove everything here. All right. I'm just showing you an example, yeah? And then all you have to do is just put, for example, one row, one image inside. Now the background of this, edit pop-up settings. So there's a background image, you don't want background image, just cancel. So you can see that it's empty right now. Now this is where the magic happens. You click on the image, edit accordingly. The image size up to you how big you want to put. The bigger it is, the better it is. And then after that, you search an image that you want to put it in. So you find your image, go click on your images. For example, this image that I want to put it here. So you can see it's bigger, right? I'll make it even bigger. Even make it bigger, for example, I want it 700. I need to edit the pop-up settings. So I just want the width to be bigger a little bit, 900. For example, it's not so clear. So the padding, you have all 0, 0, 0. The width, just put as 900. And then make sure to edit the pop-up settings. Show close button, yes, please show it. Okay, pop-up automatically off. And now you save changes. Now you can see it still don't happen, right? So what you have to do is you need to make sure that this image, once they click on this image, the pop-up will appear. Go back to the editor, close the pop-up, click on the image. Action when image is clicked, scroll, show pop-up, pick the pop-up number 1. Save changes. Just click preview, scroll all the way down. You can see it's clickable right now when you click on it, and then you can see the image. Just turn it off, click on, turn off. So this is an indirect lightbox effect that you can use for your System.io website. I hope this is helpful. I have clients that want this, especially when they have galleries inside their blog, their web page. So they want that every time you click on it, they will expand. Now this is a bit tedious. The more images you have, the more you have to do it manually, but you can add a lot of pop-ups. So it depends how you want to play with it and how you want to do it. So this is the only workaround I can find so far. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you, and I see you next time. Goodbye.